Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I wish you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 2, and we are learning unit number 7, and its title is The Tulip Festival. Yes, my dear fellow teacher, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can adjust it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture number 1, under the title of Grammar, we will learn about substitution words. So my dear students, already before in English for grade 1, we have already learned about substitution words. I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. And already we have learned in our previous unit in our grade 2, my dear students, in unit number 6, already we have learned about substitution words. Okay, now freshly we have covered. So I hope you remember it. If you may not, you can watch this video lecture again. And today we are going to learn further about it. Illustrate the use of substitution words learned earlier. Recognize that some words substitute particular and general naming words. Okay, my dear students and my dear fellow teachers, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, verse number 25, there is no God but Allah. He is the living, the sustainer of all things. Subhanallah, my dear students. This beautiful verse is telling us that Allah is only one. There is no other God, no other powerful figure is there, just Allah Almighty, one and only. Okay, there is no other God, just Allah is our sustainer, and He who gives us life, He who that gives us death. Okay, so my dear students, there is a word Allah and He. I hope you have got that. This is a substitution word. Good job. So let's see. My dear students, here is few lines. Here are few lines for you. So see there. My father is a businessman. My father is an honest and truthful man. My father loves us. Got it? So there are few lines. What you have to do? Now you have to replace the underlined word with a substitution word. Okay, I am waiting for you. Replace it and discuss it with your teacher and then come back. Welcome back. I hope you have done it. Now I am going to do. Let's see how you have done. You have done it correctly. Yes. My father is a businessman. He is an honest and truthful man. He loves us. Now you have got that. He is a substitution word of father. My dear students, we use substitution word that we don't want to repeat the noun again and again, naming word again and again. Okay, that's why these substitution words like brings up, like beautify our writing. Okay, so let's see that. Next, substitution words are words that are used to take the place of naming words in a sentences, as we took in our next previous. See there, I, he, she, it. The next one, they. These all are naming words, substitution words that we replaced. Okay, next, see, you. You can see like I, pointing, I, you. Got it? Next, they, we. 1, 2 or 3 person and we talk we. Like it, he, she. These all are called subject pronouns, subject substitution words. Okay, see there. Amara is my sister. She is a student. Now you can see that we have to replace substitution words carefully, my dear students. If Amara is a girl, that's why we have used substitution word she. Got it? An old man is sweeping there. He looks needy. So an old man means he is a man. Clearly, got it? So that's why which substitution word we have used? Yes, you're right. He. And the next, Amna is reading a story. She is reading a story. Amna, particular naming word. She is a substitution word. My dear students, Amna is a particular naming word. Already we have learned about particular naming word and common naming word. So Amna is a particular naming word because there is a fixed like name, special name. We have specified that she is Amna. Is it clear that? That's why we have replaced it by she. A table has 4 legs. It has 4 legs. Now table is a naming word and we have used it. So what is table? Table is a common naming word, my dear students. So that's why we have replaced it by it. Have you got that? Next is a substitution word replaces a naming word. Examples are there in your book now. Anoral is baking a cake. She is baking a cake. Now already we have judged. Now you can see few examples. A car has 4 wheels. It has 4 wheels. Why we have removed by it? Because a car is a thing. Okay. Next one. Salim is a boy. Salim is a boy mean he. Is it clear? He is a boy. Now it's an activity time. So be ready and we are moving toward an activity. What's activity? Explain to the students about the concept of substitution words. Ask them to practice substitution words in classroom by replacing the naming words around them. For example, my bag is on the desk. It is on the desk. Is it clear? There is guideline for you, my dear teacher. You have to perform this activity according to these guidelines and get clear concept of substitution words and then come back. Welcome back, my dear students. Good job. I hope you have done it. Next, see there. Question number 3 is there and question number 4 you have to do on your book. Write substitution words in place of the naming words in bold. You have to replace these bold naming words, and in question number 4 underline the substitution words in these sentences. These 2 questions are on your book and you have to perform these activities individually in your class. Perform it and then come back. Good job, my dear students. I hope now you are able to recognize the naming word and you can replace it by a substitution word easily. Good. So what's your homework? You have to make 5 sentences by using substitution words in your notebook. Yes, my dear fellow teacher, this is worksheet. This worksheet link is given below. You should get it and provide it to your students in printed form and try to get that. Are they able to recognize the substitution word? Next is, so what we have covered today? We have covered substitution words are words that are used to take the place of naming words in sentences. Substitution words are I, we, you, he, she, it and they, and in this way we have covered up our this SLO. So my dear students, I hope you have got your lecture today nicely. You have learned about substitution words. So tomorrow with a new lecture we will meet soon. Till that time, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.